barbecue going on. Let's go see. I'm not sure what they have, but I know Makita's throwing it on, so let's go see. Maybe we'll go pick up a roofie down there. Let's go get some tools. What's up? We are here at the house and I am hotter than a $2 pistol. It's about time to bust out the old bandana and get into this box real quick and see what we have. Ooh, look at this. We got the new toy. Looks like it comes with some stuff. Look at this. Got some safety glasses and everything. Yep. They hooked it up with some safety glasses. We got the new tool. It even comes with a fitting on it. But this gun is definitely legit. We'll go give it a test. They're all using boss stitch up there, but we'll go see what we got. Let's go see what this got. I gotta put my bandana on because I'm sweating like a pimp with one hoe over here. They got both sets of glasses. All right, let's go do this. Let's go get this done. I'm ready. I'm super excited to get this, to get brush off the dust, unretire the tool bags. It's been like 6 years since I've been up on the roof, so I'm super excited about that. Excited to lose a little bit of weight. Hopefully, if I can keep this up, if you guys subscribe right now and give me something to do this for. So get the tool bags on. Ooh, they feel. Let me see if I'm on the same notch. Look at that. What notch? This notch right here. Let's see if I gain a couple notches. Oh yeah, I'm one notch. I'm an inch, 2 inches, a little bit too fat. And these don't even go through the hole. Let's see if I can squeeze into that notch. Oh yeah. No, too fat. Too fat. We got some stuff to work on, a little too fat for this one. Get my gloves on so the wife doesn't kill me. And I think I might double decker the glasses up. Kind of sweet. I like that. Bam. Wha-bam. For safety. That's what's up. That way, labor and industry doesn't come get us. Bam, hammer. Got my hose, the gun. We got the Makita, brand new. I don't even know what model number it is, but who cares? It's brand new. We're not using the boss stitch because if you guys followed the video on the roofer's tool bag, all 3 of them were beat down and we had to grab a new gun from Roofline Supply. Good looking out, Roofline, and shout out to Makita because well, we'll give them a shout out if it works. If it doesn't, it's gonna go right in the dumpster. So we'll go see how it does with the double glasses, guys. Come on, you gotta double them up because these are Makita glasses too. So let's go up there and check it out. See what we got. Let's see if I still got what it takes. All right, guys, I am excited to be back up here. These guys have already started today. We came a little bit late. We got lost trying to find this place. Psych. We actually had some food at Roofline. We're gonna put on the book. If you guys haven't seen how to cut a book on, we're gonna cut it, but we're gonna start rocking and rolling. And then, bam, bam, bam. Look, listen to the guys. They're way faster than me. See, you hear them? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Here we go, though. We're gonna come catch them. I'm gonna try to at least. So this is called a book, the pieces to the book right here, what I'm installing. I pre-cut them, that way it's just quicker. It's quicker for me. And we use 5 nails, that way if we do miss one, we're golden. Let's grab some more shingles. So we just continue right here. Hit the gauge, and then your shingle rests on that one. You slide it over where these corners meet up. See that? It's that easy. And I like to hit this later because my thing is shorter. So we're gonna cut this for the size of the vent, 8 inches. I like to do 8 inches with this. I know it's about 8 inches. See that? Boom. Gauge, slide it over to the top. And we're gonna cut it right in the middle. And with this one, we're gonna round it. So this one, we're gonna cut it round because the vent is round. These things are so sticky. All right, here we go. Now that you're at the top, see that? See, notice the nail placement? I'm not placing it in the keyway. You gotta stay out, like right here, see? This top, when you get to the top, some guys will cut it, and some guys will fold it over. I like to cut it myself, like that. Sometimes I'll even leave this piece over, come over and cut it, but it's less bumpy that way. So gauge it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nails. Oh my God, super sticky. See how it hit the next nail on the way over right here? See how it's not nailed? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? Grab 2 shingles. Watch. Gauge it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the next one. But notice how I didn't nail it right here. That's what I'm talking about, the keyway. So where this shingles line up, your water will get in this keyway right here, and you have to keep a nice distance out. See how the nails right here? Again, well, this one doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna cut it off because I like to makes it cleaner. And you come over here, grab you some more shingles, and start going back downtown. Vents are super easy. Just cut it over, cut it down, cut it out. You gotta make sure to have a sharp knife. If you got synthetic paper, sometimes you gotta use your snips. This is easy. Wherever it lands, line it up. Make sure not to nail too close. You go bam, cut it. 8 inches over. And cut it over like that. Grab your next shingle, Lay it on top, gauge it, slam it, slide it. See that? How we don't nail it right there? Gauge it, slam it, slide it. We gotta put on some metal, but I need some water. Let's go take a break and we'll be up here because it's hotter than a $2 pistol. We're gonna be right back after I get some water. Damn. We got the feeder over here just chopping it. Look at that. And it's hot. On a colder day, see how he racks it, slams it, and slides it. See, look at that. This is the fastest guy in the world right here. I don't know about you guys, but this is looking sweet. This job is looking amazing, super clean. We got double paper on this job because it is a 412. We always double paper it. But right now, let's get into how to cut your flashing for this piece right here. So what I do is I come up here, I score it, see? I score it with my knife like that. So I kind of know where to go a little bit. Then I take my snips and since I just have straight snips, I'm gonna come from this side and see how it's cut with it. Some people get lazy and they make it square, but now it's cut with the roof. See that, how it's cut with the roof? See that now? Bam. I'm not gonna slam it up super tight, but we're gonna give it a little spot for the water to go. Now I'm gonna grab my gun, la pistola, put one nail in it, and then I'm gonna come over here and do this in one piece. Now again, come over here, and I'm gonna cut this with this line where the barge boards come together. I make another nice little line. That's a little tip right here, right? Instead of measuring it, see, you got a nice little line. I take it out a little bit, take your snips, and just cut it away. Sometimes you have to cut that little piece off, but this is not too big of a pitch. So in this case, oh yeah, look at that. It lays nice and flat. Nice and tight right there, right? Then you suck this in. Then what we do is throw this away, move this down here, get it out of my way. We might use this. So again, one's corny starter, we don't cut the tops. Looks like you got 1 and 2 starters. That means we're gonna need 2 books, guys. I know from experience, we are gonna need 2 books right here. That'll lay nice and flat. So I'm gonna cut this like this, lay that. Since they put the wood too tight, this is just a piece of plywood. We're gonna leave this loose. We're gonna cut this. We're gonna bring it down to the line, okay? We're gonna put about a knuckle out. We use about a knuckle, maybe not quite a knuckle, maybe not quite an inch, but. And I'm gonna tuck the ridge under here. I don't need to put too many nails because we're gonna hit, a lot of guys will nail this a lot, but I'm gonna re-nail it when I'm shingling it, so. This shingle looks like it might come in handy right here. Not too small. I'm gonna let them work this up because they're coming, so I'm gonna start running this across and then they can take that up because the gauge might be a little different. You can gauge it too when you're doing this book. We're cutting a book right now. If you guys don't know how to cut a book, I don't blame you. We got you covered though. Make sure to click on the YouTube card. And we did go over exactly how to cut a book, but I'm gonna get back to it. So bam, 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 bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. All right, I'm cutting this book right now. I'm actually cutting 2 books. Speed up the process a little bit. Some people cut 1 book at a time. I like to cut 2 because I need 2 left. I'll probably be about 1 and some change on it. So about a book and 3/4 I need. I'll have a couple shingles left, but it's just faster to cut a book. I'll show you, look. Bam, you cut it all. You're nice out at one time. You're not switching speeds. And then, brah, brah, brah. Brah, brah.
So what we do is we chop this right here. We put one down and one at the bottom, and then we just nail it on. It's easy as that. On the right side, right? I don't like to have my hose in front of me. Have it behind you. Always have the hose behind you. Keep your nails in it, and I like to put 2 nails in each one, right? And we go. I like to run it that way, not this way. It doesn't look right. So run it to the middle of the house. Again, put the line up. And what I like to do to prep this, take them out like this. And then I like to go backwards. Come over here, you might bump it. You see that, how it moves? So you can move on you, right? Right, so it's nice and lined. I mean, watch. That hole shouldn't be there, but you'll be fine, watch. So you take this right here, go nice and straight, find your gun, and I go like this, watch. Take this knife, we'll cut it straight with this metal. And then we'll fold this down. Okay? We're gonna make a little knots out of it. You want it to lay nice and flat. This is gonna have to have a little bit of roofing cement or tar or whatever. See this right here? That's where this comes in handy. Now we have a little flat one. Take this up here. We're gonna cut this. And it'll look nice and uniform. See? And then we're gonna nail it real low. Little roofing cement in here. Bada bam, bada boom. Let's go help these guys over here, shingle. What the? Oh my gosh, what time is it? I was sleeping? Oh my gosh, psych. No, but I ain't gonna lie, I am super exhausted. I had a great time out here. These guys showed me what's up. Thanks a lot for tuning into this episode. We did have a great time. We basically are 100% done except for the vents. There was a little confusion, so we got to come back out here to put the vents in. And after that, this job is chalked up. Just look, I want you to come down here and look how straight these lines are. Look how straight these guys got it. It looks really good. And notice the ridge. See how the ridge came together like that? So basically, man, like and subscribe it if you guys haven't already, so I can continue to put out more videos. It's super fun to do, and I'm super happy that you guys are enjoying it too. If you're not, say something in the comments why you're not, what you want me to do different, what you want me to see different. So without that, I'm out of here, guys.